Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm at the Eau Claire River at the Eau Claire Dells. This is where the water comes in. You can see all the way the water meanders and stuff and comes underneath this bridge here. I just want to say I'm on my my tour this year, folks. How you guys doing?
Hi, good.
Beautiful, huh? Where are you from?
Illinois.
Ah, Beaver Dam. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Too bad the water's not going faster, but it's still awesome. Yeah. You can see, folks, there's like a pool. It drains in on the left there. That's where all the gold is. It runs down and it drops down. Yeah. Gold's like 8 times heavier than so what's your name?
Kirk.
And
Kathy.
Kathy? Nice to meet you, Jay.
Jay?
I'm a YouTuber. I'm here filming. Well, I'm going to be camping. I'm going to the tractor show over in by Eau Claire. That's quite a drive, yeah, but I got to go there. And then I'm going to go to, do you ever hear of Simcoe at all? They have what they call a weekender. It's by Wapaka.
Oh, okay.
It's the biggest car show. They got a swap meet. They got burnout pits. They got fire show at night.
Okay.
That's not that far from here.
Wapak.
Well, it's actually Simcoe, but Wapaka is the big city nearest. Thank you. Yeah. All right, folks. I just met those people there. They're from down in Beloit. They're doing the same thing I am. Checking out this wonderful waterfall. Now it says I'm going to take this trail to the scenic overlook. Here. I came that way. It was kind of sketchy. So we're going to go this way. Okay. They got some nice trails here too. This is one nice county park. I thank the people from this county. There's this trail section here. They got this overlook. But I'm going to go down to this other trail down here. It's got a different view. I was saying there's a lot of rocks. I got to go down here, so I'm going to be a little erratic with my filming, but not too bad. And then danger, swimmers, rocks, undercurrent, deadly. People could actually, surprised they let them go in there. It says, okay, we're going to take a look over this way first. They got a bunch of different angles of overlooks and stuff. Okay. You see the walls and stuff. There's some driftwood over there. We're going to work our way through. It's interesting, like I was saying, there's like a pond that goes into this and then it erodes and it comes down here. And then if you would have more water, you'd have more current, maybe more dynamic. But it still looks nice. Probably the best time would be in the early spring. There's where I just was up on top of that bridge there. You don't want to come down and walk around all this dangerous stuff here. You don't feel comfortable with it, don't do it. I wonder if I can take that trail that way once. We'll find out in a minute here. There's what I'm walking on. There's a little trail here. When people I just met, they must not want to go down there. Worst thing is if you get water on these rocks, it makes it slippery. You know, awesome job for the county park. There's steps going up. There's some benches here. Looks like it's been for a while. There's that iron pipe on there. I spent a lot of time to put this this pathway in with the concrete mortar and stuff, and it looks like this trail is pretty well used. There's another view from in on the trail. If you're daring, you can jump here, but I'm gonna take I'll take the high road. See all these roots coming up through here. I wonder if you can go up on top of there. And well, they said no rock climbing. That's probably where some of the people got hurt. Okay. It's interesting how you go to the side here and then over. Wow, look at the size of that stump that pulled out of the ground. That thing was huge. Must have been a big tree there at one time. Ooh. Watch that step. So just didn't have these old steel rails, the steel pipe. They gotta honor this guy. See how it looks from here. You can't see a lot. I wanted to film this too. This is like a shelter. It's cool how they have all the rocks stacked up on there. Some picnic tables. Oh, it's cool to have a fireplace here. You could rent this. Have a nice fireplace and stuff here. Awesome. I don't know if you rent it or if you reserve, just have to reserve it, or every place is different. There's some more of this building. They actually have wood over there too. Kind of interesting. It's interesting how that moss or whatever's growing on top of that roof. All right, folks, this is pretty good size. I mean, what an amazing county park. All I can say is thank you. Please like and subscribe, folks, or follow on Facebook.